Hi there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Facebook video on laptop. First you need to copy the video link. You can copy the video link, just click on copy, or you can copy the link from the click on share, and then on the bottom here you'll see the copy link option, just click on that. After that we are going to use the online tool to download the video. Just go to the new tab and then go to the app.down.net. This is the link and then enter the link here. Now click on download. Now you can see two options. One is download video in normal quality and another one is download video in HD quality. So you can download both of them. For example, I am going to download normal quality. Click on that. Now it will ask you to save the video. Just click on save. And the video is downloading and it's downloaded. Now let's click on open. So that's how you can download Facebook video on laptop. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.